Good morning, student. Today I am going to start with division. Okay. See, in your textbook there are few examples given. 4254 divided by 25. So children, we are not familiar with big tables. It is not easy for everyone to remember tables of 25, 26, 27. So there are some you can remember till 15 or 20. Okay, so the easiest way is to solve it. 25 into 1, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 20. Just write down the tables in the rough column, okay, as it is shown in your textbook, and then try to solve it. See children, the first number is 42. So can you divide 25 with 42? See, 25 ones are 25, but 25 twos are is 50. Okay, so this is so it will come. So we can take first two numbers, or there is another method what we can do. Just put 0, take 4 down, put here also 0 because first digit is smaller than the number 25. So as you bring it down, you get 42. So 25 ones are 25. Then you do basic subtraction and you get 175. Now 175 goes in the table of 25 sevens are 175. Then you write the number and you get 0, 0, 0. Then 4 is left. Okay, that 4 comes down. Then you put 1 0 here and put 0 here and bring the 4 down. So the quotient is 140. No need to write the first 0, and remainder is just 4. Similarly, the second example is also done for you. They have written the table of 32 and see 32. 9 is smaller than 32. So putting a 0 here, bringing the 9 down, then bringing 7 down, and 32 threes are 96. Okay children, then 7 minus 6 is 1 and 9 minus 9 is 0. Then you bring 8 down. Okay, so 32 18 is smaller than 32. You can't divide with a big number, no? So what you have to do, write a 0 here and bring the 18 down, plus you're bringing 3 also down. Okay, so you get 183. Now 32 5 is 160. So the 5 you will write here and 160 you will write here. Remainder is 23 and quotient is 305. Okay, now let us solve the problem set 15 on page number 19. Okay children, so similarly let us write the table of 32. See, 32 ones are 32. I prefer writing this way because you can solve also. 32 twos are 64. 32 threes are 6 and 3 threes are 9. You can't make mistake if you solve this way, and you should always do this in your rough column. Okay, draw a rough column. 2 fours are 8 and 3 fours are is 12. Then 32 fives are 32 6 are. Okay children, 32 sevens are 32 eights are. Okay, now see, let us solve. 1 is smaller than 2. So what you will do? Put a 0 here. So you will add a 0 here. Bring the 1. You will write 0 here. Bring the 1 down. Then you will bring the 2 down. Still this number is small. No? 32 is great. So again you will add a 0. Put 0 0 and bring the number down. Then you will bring 8 down. Okay. Now let us see. 128 goes in which table? See, 32 4s is 128. So, okay children. So now you will get 0. Then you will bring the 4 down. Okay. Now see. 4 is smaller than 32. So you can't divide it. So you will add 0 here. You will add 0 over here. Bring the 4 down. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. So what you will write? Quotient (40) and remainder Okay children, I hope you all have understood. Now let us see. 87. See, even I don't know the table of 87. So let us solve it. 87 ones are 87. 87 twos are 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 87 threes are 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24, 26. 87 fours are 28, 32, 34. 87 fives are 7 fives are 35. 5 eights are 40, 43. 87 six are 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. Okay. Last we will go one more number. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 56 and 4 is 60. Okay. Now let us solve. At least write till 6 or 7. Then if you require, you multiply again. Okay. Now similarly we will you will write the number. See, first number is smaller than 87. So what you will do? You will write a 0 over here. Put a 0 here. Bring it down. Then again you will bring the other number down. Still this number is smaller than 87. Okay. So again you will add one more 0. You will bring the number down. And you will bring 8 also down. Okay. So 558. See, 87 6 are 522. So it is. Okay children. 6 3 and 0. Okay. Then you will bring this number down. And what you are getting? 366. So what you will do? Which number it goes with? See, 87 4 is 348. 0. Sorry. Always start from units place. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is your remainder. Okay, children? You can do one more thing. Okay? So with this is your quotient and this is your remainder. So you will write quotient is 64. No need to write the zeros at the beginning. And remainder is 18. Okay, children? I will solve one more sum for you. See, this sums you can't do in, you can't hurry up things. You have to be patientful to solve maths. See, 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54, 27 threes are 6, 6 plus 2 is 81, 27 fours are 28, 8, 10. Okay, 7 fives are 35, 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, and 24 6 are 6 sevens are 42, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, I think that is enough. Now let us see. Similarly, you will write quotient 27 divide divisor. Okay. Now similarly, the first number is small, so what you will do, you will add 0 here, you will add 0 here, you will bring it down. Then this number is also small, so what you will do, you will add one more 0 here, and you will add 0 0 here, then you will bring it down, then you will bring the 0 down. Now let's see, 120. So 27 fours are is 108. Okay, then simple subtraction. Then you will bring the 7 down. Okay, so it will go again with 4 only, so it is 108. So this is the remainder. Quotient is equal to 44 and remainder to 19. Okay, children? Now sum number 4, 5, 6 you will do as homework. Everything is homework in fact, but I have solved first, second and third sum for you. Now you are going to solve the entire exercise. Okay, all these sums in your maths notebook.